Hey there, how's it going? So today we have a single cell power bank, an eVogue. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. It says 3000 milliamp hour capacity. So anyway, pretty straightforward. I already popped it apart. And it's got a little LED. So let's just pop it apart a little more. Take this black cover off. Black cover. There's the single cell. It's purple. I just checked the voltage, 0.23 volts. That's not going to do it. So what we have is the venerable Panasonic NCR18650B. 3400 milliamp hours. This is good stuff. This is what Tesla Model S uses, I believe, or variation of thereof. So yeah, let's swap these cells out. Alright, so I've gone ahead and removed the Kapton tape, the high temp tape on the side, so the tabs are just welded onto the old battery. And what I do just pull it off. I have a tab welder, I'll show you in a minute. I think we can just reuse these tabs. It'd be easy peasy. There's the old cell. We'll get rid of that. So here's your tabs, kind of jaggedy, kind of sharp, but totally reusable. Let me unpack the welder, and we'll slap the new one in there. Piece of cake. Okay, so I've got the old Red Dragon ready to rock. This is my capacitive discharge welder that I built some time ago. I have a video on my channel. It's like one of the more popular videos that I have, relatively to my channel, which is not much, but so there it is, about 16 volts. This is what we used to weld. There are the electrodes, and then that's hooked up to this 4S lithium ion. There's like 100 cells in that backpack there. So that's the circuitry business there, and that's detailed all in my other video. I'm going to upgrade that. I think we're running about 5 amps charging, so it takes a little while to recharge once you fire it, and that is going to be it's not going to be quick enough for my next project, or one of my next projects. That's 100 cells there. I'm going to have 400 cells in 4 series for the Powerwall portable. So stay tuned for that. So we'll not to digress too much, but we'll upgrade the tab welder so we can build that pack. But onto the single guy. So the voltage there you read, it's 1.53 right now. I'm going to turn it on. It's a very janky build. It's like very utilitarian. There's no fit and finish, so I know this. It's kind of how I roll. Alright, 16.5 volts. That should get us to tab weld these bad boys. Let's see if I can do this. On camera. This cell's not protected. Some cells have like a protection circuit right here, so it doesn't overcharge, undervolt. That stuff will be handled by the board on the power bank. Okay, so that's 3 hits to the positive side. I think we're good there. I don't know what you're seeing here. It's shadowy. I need to figure out my light situation. Let's reuse the old tape. Water heater kicked on, so if you hear that, sorry. This tab just folds over. There's a little momentary switch on top right here. That's how I fire it. Whoop. Three on there. Let's check how the pretty strong. Reuse the tape. So there it is. It's all done. Let's button it up. Check the button. Half full. Cells are shipped about half full, right? So that makes sense. Should be a light. The light. There it is. Got an LED light. Sweet. So just hold it down and the light turns off. Snug him in there. Just plastic tabs. You gotta be careful when you take these apart. Usually I break everything. Snaps together. Alright, there we go. So there you have it. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching, guys.